I wanted to take a quick moment to show everybody the progress that's been made on the Metcal. We do have video now. So that super VHS adapter that I purchased online to use this port, which was obviously, instead of using this adapter that came with the machine, just take it straight to the super VHS port, has now solved a key problem. As you can see now, when I pull the camera tray out, I have image, which is awesome. The other key advancement that was made is online. I bought a second machine, but that machine came with the calibration system. This calibration system is very expensive, $3,000 to buy them. When you can't, they're just expensive. So what this does is this plate sits here and the machine will pick it up, and then the camera will look at this one and compare it with this one. And if you look really close, you see those little lines in there. You adjust the axes on the unit to get them perfectly aligned, so that when the machine picks up the device and moves it, from here to here, that it lines up perfectly. So you know that this travel up and down on the system doesn't have any angle to it, or it's not going this way or that way. So it's perfectly in line. So when you're up here and you're aligning the crosshairs, and that's what this camera is for. So what this camera does, this camera will look at the chip, which will be attached here. And if you look, you can see my finger there. See my finger in the picture? See how I'll move that? See that? That's the image of the top chip. So that chip gets lined up with the bottom chip down here. And then those dots, you'll line the dots up on the screen. So when the head goes down to place the part, it's perfectly in center and aligned. So having the camera system is working is huge. The other part of this that I'm excited about is I got this Metcal kit. And this Metcal kit contains all the vacuum nozzles. As you see, we have the 1mm nozzle all the way to the 12mm nozzle. And these are essential in picking up parts. When you pick a chip up, you need the vacuum nozzle. And to try and machine these yourself is kind of expensive. You can buy them at almost $200 each. So $1,000 those vacuum nozzles. And I also got the Viaton rings for them. So these nozzles are huge. Having all of them is awesome. So that came with it. And the other key part of this, so we've got some Metcal stickers, I'm not sure what those are for, but is I've got all the nozzles. Literally got all the nozzles. So I've got all the sizes. This is an add-on nozzle I bought on eBay. It's a slightly larger nozzle. The kit comes with these. So I got all the nozzles. I did get one coupler. Got some of the pickup pieces here. And I got these flexing trays, which are kind of nice. I got 3 different flexing trays for 3 different size chips, which is kind of nice. And I got the basic tools for doing the alignment and changing pieces and stuff. So we are 100% here. We have the calibration kit. We have all the nozzles. We have all the vacuum pieces. We've got the camera fix. We got everything going here. We are pretty much ready to start work. The next thing I have to do that I will be doing this weekend is the machine requires 220 power. It comes on 110, but not everything will work. So the heating elements for upper and lower, they're going to require 220. So I'll be putting in a 220 outlet and a 110 outlet on this wall this weekend. So I've already got some insulation down there. As you see, we're going to run them right down that wall on the stud. So I'll be running the electrical this weekend. And we should be pulling our first chips, hopefully Sunday. So exciting news, the Metcal is moving forward, and I have a complete second unit. The guy was supposed to ship me the computer, but he didn't. But when I'm done, you know, I will have the calibration tool, which I can use on both of them. And I may end up having to buy a second vacuum nozzle or a second replacement nozzle or something. But this is really, I mean, I can buy these things $200 to $500 a piece. It's like, ouch, but okay. $3,000 for this fancy little jewelry box, which is the calibration tool. Wow, this was huge, getting the calibration tool. So now we'll be able to run 2 machines at once and increase production volume output. I'll be able to have 2 operators running both machines. And now it's just finding the work for them. I do have one customer that's going to be giving me about $500 of work a week in reballing. And this is just kind of the gateway drug. With this machine, we'll be able to do all kinds of stuff. So, and I'll probably end up buying a second Husky to put the second machine on. And I do need to change this monitor. It's too big, and I would like to get another one of these stands and have a second monitor. So I've still got a little bit more to work to do, but this will be online this weekend. All the pieces are here. So I wanted to give everybody an update and show them the exciting news that this puzzle here has been solved. And we're getting close. Stay tuned for more Metcal.